Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be another makeup related video and it's the online class makeup tutorial. It's gonna be quick and simple makeup lang. Okay, let's start. I'm going to use this Sun Glow Tinted Sunscreen kasi nasa bahay lang naman tayo and mas prefer ko to gamitin ngayon kasi sa foundation kasi sa computer lang naman tayo haharap. I love this tinted sunscreen kasi it looks natural plus may SPF 50 na din siyang kasama. And it really blends well on my skin. Okay, don't mind my big and dark under eye. Okay, next is I'll be using my Instant Age Rewind Concealer from Maybelline. Oh, and I forgot to put lip mask. And to set everything, ang gagamitin ko is ICS baliktad. Okay, never mind. And to set everything, ang gagamitin ko is itong EYESHADOW Final Powder. Ayan, tap-tap lang ng onte and then I'll apply it on my face. Ayan, as you can see, sabog na talaga yung kilay ko, mga cyst. But wala tayong magagawa kasi hindi ko pa siya napapa-thread. Okay, for the eyebrows, I'll be using my Sassy Lady Pro Eyebrow Pencil. And then, maglalagay lang ako nitong brow gel from EYESHADOW. For my eyeshadow naman, I'll just use my Squad Cosmetics palette. And ang ganda ng mga shades nito guys kasi very neutral lang. Which is very perfect sa mga online classes or sa mga nag-work from home. And then pag wala kayong eyeshadow primer, you can also use a concealer. Kahit na anong concealer pa yan, besh. Pero yung ginamit ko is Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. Ayan, napanood ko lang yan sa mga beauty gurus. Then for my eyeliner, I will use my liquid eyeliner from Maybelline. Okay, take note, hindi po ako expert sa paglalagay ng liquid eyeliner, pero sana makisama siya ngayon. Then I'll just curl my straight eyelashes. And gagamit lang ako ng mascara from Maybelline. For my blush naman, I will use my blush on from EYESHADOW. Ang ganda ng blush on na to, beshi, kasi ang natural lang ng pagka-blush niya and mura lang to guys, which is very perfect for students. Ito naman optional lang, pero for me maglalagay pa din ako ng highlighter. And lastly, for my lips, I'll be using my Squad Cosmetics Lippy in the shade Romantic. And there you go guys, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on my social media accounts, and see you again in my next video. Bye!